Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2007 Chrysler Town & Country. This is a mobility wheelchair accessible van like most of our vans. Manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. It's got a handle on either side. It's a spring assisted manual ramp. I can take it to the ground with ease using one hand. I can pretty much take it to the ground using one finger. It's got the rear ramp, comes up inside. It's got the 8 tie-down points. It can hold up to 2 chairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Carpets are fairly clean. You can see they've removed one seat. They've used it. This is a former taxi cab. We purchased this from a company that sold us a couple vans. Fairly clean for what it is and the price. The dash is in good condition. It's got the dual climate control. It's got the rear air control, so it's got the headliners in fairly good shape. So certainly not a perfect van, but pretty nice van, pretty nice interior. Odor-free rear air vents back there. So when you've got everybody secure, come back over. Ramp folds right up. These are real nice, these manual ramps and doors. The electric are nice, but boy, when they go bad, they can be thousands of dollars to repair. So it's got the tinted windows, has the roof rack. We just put 4 brand new tires on this. 4 brand new. I mean, these tires only have 10 miles on them. They're Travel Star, so they're an off-brand, but they're nice brand new tires. I believe they have a 45 or 50,000 mile rating on them. The body's certainly not perfect, but it's not all beat up. It's not all scratched up. I see a little bit of paint flaking there around the bumper. But overall, as the pictures show, and of course as the video that I'm doing shows, pretty nice van. It's for for what it is, for the price. It's not all beat up. Like I said, the interior is clean. They removed a chair here. Have that one over there, it's in good condition. Have the 2 keys, including one of these is keyless entry. Pretty clean interior. Show you the VIN number right there. So for the number of miles that are on this van, don't let us scare you away. 338,000 miles. I don't know if this is the original drivetrain or not, but I know it starts up first time every time. Starts no problem. You can see all the dummy lights work, check engine light, ABS, airbag, those all go out. We've tested all the windows, power mirrors, power locks, radio, AC. We've looked at all this stuff. It's not some van you come look at, it's got a bunch of issues with it. Got the vent over there. Vent over there works. So overall, pretty nice van. Let's pop the hood so you can hear it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.3 V6. This was fleet maintained. It's got all its maintenance, got all its oil changes. That's why it's ran this long. It idles smoothly. Engine sounds good. It's got a good response time to it. Underneath the van, not all rusted out. I don't see any signs of any major leaks. No matter who you buy a van from, if you're going to buy sight unseen, make sure they get a video for you. A video like this doesn't take long, and if they're going to take thousands of dollars for, to sell you a van, make sure they get out, they crawl underneath it, they show you that it's not all rusted out underneath. And if you buy a van that's all rusted out, it won't pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection, you can't drive it. So don't get duped. A lot of people online get duped. Don't get duped. Buy from a good company like Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been in business over 8 years, and that's why we're out here making these videos. So let's get it on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on the highway, give them a good run so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift. And you can see that we've inspected these vans. We've done quite a few repairs to this van in particular, and just to make sure that it's road ready. So whether we ship it out to you or whether you come in and drive it home, this van handles nicely on the highway. Got up to about 67 miles an hour there. Back it down to about 60. Set the cruise control works. I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. I digress. The cruise control does not work on this van. I remember the cruise light comes on, but it's a wiring issue. We don't know exactly what it is. If you want us to look more into it at your cost, let us know. So with that being said, there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? If they're an individual, of course they don't. They don't have a track record. You don't know who you're buying from. If they don't provide you a title, they don't sign a title properly. you have no recourse. So be really careful buying from an individual. I strongly suggest buying from a dealer with a good reputation, like Affordable Mobility does. You know, the dealer you're talking to, ask them if they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. If they don't, you need to ask yourself, why are you shopping there? We have over 500 reviews on eBay. All of them are positive. Folks, that's 500 people that said we did them right. That is 0 people that said we did them wrong. Why are you looking anywhere else? We get out, we make videos, we want you to know exactly what you're getting. And I'm gonna give the van a hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. So, of course, this is not a brand new van, but it runs and drives nicely down the highway. Looks pretty clean, smells clean. No major issues with it whatsoever. It's just got a lot of miles on it. We do sell extended warranties at very affordable prices. I strongly suggest anytime you buy a used vehicle that you buy an extended warranty. So when you compare our prices, when you compare our reputation, when you compare that we get out and make a video so you know exactly what you're getting, it's hard to compete with Affordable Mobility Solutions. As a matter of fact, nobody can. So if you have any questions, if you want to make an appointment to see any of our vehicles, please give me a call. And that flashing back and forth, that's only doing that through the camera. I think it stopped there now. It's not doing it in real life, it's just visual through the camera. So if you ever want to come see one of our vehicles, please call me. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Check us out 24 hours a day online at mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.